Welcome back to Le Petite Kitchen. I'm Susie, and I hope you're enjoying our videos as much as we are enjoying making them for you. One of my favorite things to do is to cook. I love to bake, I love to cook. I've raised a large family, and sometimes cooking has been my way to escape from all the stress. So as I've talked to you in the past, my husband and I are both healthcare professionals, and we try to eat well-balanced diets. So today we're going to do another one of our plant-based diets. We're going to make lentil curry. Now, lentils are an ancient grain. They have been around for thousands of years. There is archaeological evidence that the ancient Egyptians cultivated lentil, and it was a staple in their diet 8,000 years ago. In the Bible, lentils are mentioned in Genesis and then again throughout the Bible as a staple in the diet. And in India, for thousands of years, lentils have been one of the mainstays in their diets. So it's been around a long time, and it's a good thing for us. It's a healthy grain. It is good for your heart. It can help lower your cholesterol. It's low in glycemic index, so it can help regulate blood pressure, or blood sugar, I'm sorry. It can help with weight loss because it's low in calories and high in protein. And it's also high in fiber. So let's get started. We're going to need, I have my favorite Dutch oven here, and we are going to start with a little spritz of oil. Now, I've told you in the past, I don't like to use the spray oils. Oops, I have that on tight. They can cause problems, especially in your air fryers. The chemicals in them, too many chemicals. All right, so then we're going to add 1 cup of chopped onion. There we go. 1.5 cup of chopped carrots. 6 cloves of minced garlic. 1 cup of lentils. And this recipe has a lot of spices. These are all my spices, so I'm going to have to refer to my recipe card. And as you can see, my recipe card is like a family album. I have pictures of my family and things we were doing when I came up with the recipes. So you're going to have fresh grated ginger, mild curry, 2 tablespoons, turmeric, coriander and cumin, and then you can put some cayenne pepper if you want a little fire in there. We don't. And about a teaspoon of salt to taste. And then we need about 3 cups of vegetable broth. Mix that around a little bit there, and then we're going to add a 15-ounce can of fire roasted diced tomatoes, and a can of coconut milk, and our spices. When this is cooking, the aroma is going to fill your house, and it is going to be fabulous. Okay. Now, and be careful with the curry. If you splash it on your countertop or on yourself, your towels, it stains terribly, and you're not going to get that out unless you bleach it well. So we're going to put this on the stove on low heat to simmer for about 2 hours. And then we'll probably serve it over a bed of rice. Okay, so it's been 3 hours, and here's our beautiful lentil curry. The smell is amazing, and we're just going to serve this over a bed of rice, just like this. There we go. Isn't that amazing? Okay, join us next time for another delightful dish. Bye.